I am more of an hairstylist. Hi everyone, hello everybody. My name is Zanny, and this is my first makeup, hair tutorial and skin YouTube page. So I'm going to be posting a lot of stuff about hair, about skin, about makeup, and just the little things I know, and new trends about hair, new trends about makeup, and things that I could do. So that's basically what I'm going to be uploading on my page. I have a few questions here I think you guys might want to ask me. Like, how old am I? Actually, I am 21 years old. I am 21 years old, yes, and I am a student of Lagos State University. That is LASU, Lagos State University. A theater student. I study art. I'm in the Department of Art, studying theater art. I love to act. I love to sing. I love to dance, kind of, and so. I am a Christian. I am a Jesus lover. Christianity is a lifestyle. It is a lifestyle. I love God so much. I actually have another page where I talk about Jesus Christ is coming. I talk about God. I just actually started that too. But I have two pages, one for hair, makeup, skin, and the other for God. Like, it is dedicated to the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, Jesus Christ, my Savior, my salvation, and everything dedicated to him. So that is all about my channel, Zanny's page. You get to see a lot of hair tutorial from now on. At least you get to see a lot of hair tutorial and stuff, and I would like you to kindly follow me, talk to me, comment, tell me things you would like for me to do. I'm not a good makeup artist though. Don't be deceived by this one. I am not a good makeup. I'm not even a makeup artist. I just know how to make up like touch up my face. I am more of an hairstylist. I love hair. I make hair myself. I love hair relating to wigs, hair. That's what I do mostly. Skin and the makeup is just backup. In case I don't have things to post, I'm just going to use that. But you see more of hair tutorial, hair care, shampooing, conditioning, and stuff like that. So that's just all I want to say. Thank you so much for taking our time to watch my introduction video, and I pray God bless you. You have a nice day, and everything you do is blessed. Thank you so much. See you guys in my next video.